Look, I'm not here to inspire you. I'm here to help you make more money.
You're here because you have a vision of yourself doing more, achieving more.
If you're not putting out content, you're invisible. Whether you're a roofer, whether you're an entrepreneur, this is business.
You can't always control your situation, but you can always control your attitude. I don't think my problems outweigh yours.
You have to take control over your situation so you can lead your lifestyle by design.
Well, we eventually developed a system. We had 3 office production men, one for roofing, one for siding, one for miscellaneous trades. And that system was born out of 30 days because if we didn't do it, we would have died.
And not negotiate the claim.
What does that mean? You know, I'm not talking about negotiating a claim or acting as a lawyer of public justice. I'm just talking about being an entrepreneur.
It will change the course of your career.